If you're experiencing a pending status on a transaction in Cash App, it means that the transaction hasn't been completed yet and may be awaiting verification or processing. Here's how you can potentially resolve this issue. Check for network connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Sometimes, a poor network connection can cause transactions to get stuck in a pending state. Verify recipient details. If you're sending money to someone, double-check the recipient's details, including their cash tag or phone number. An incorrect recipient identifier can cause transactions to remain pending. Contact support. If the pending status persists for an extended period, reach out to Cash App support for assistance. They can provide insight into the status of the transaction and help resolve any issues causing the delay. Cancel and retry. If possible, cancel the pending transaction and try sending the payment again. Sometimes, resending the payment can resolve the pending status. Wait for confirmation. In some cases, pending transactions may simply require additional time to process. Wait for a reasonable period, and if the transaction doesn't complete, consider reaching out to Cash App support for further assistance.